Hi everyone, this is Nobi and Sonia Berman again. We are fond of crafting with natural materials as far as collecting them in woods, on beaches and so on. This time we will show you how to make a rustic decorative tray. You can use driftwood, but if there is no sea or river around, we will tell you how to clean and prepare branches from the woods. We need water and calcium soda to get rid of the bark. Pour soda into water and stir. Then we immerse the branches in water and cover the container with polyethylene. Leave it for 2 days. And this is where the most dirty phase starts. To remove the bark from the branches, we use a metallic sponge. Because of the soda, the bark became pliable and easy to get rid of it. Then let them dry and use sandpaper to achieve the driftwood effect. It's time to cover it with acrylic varnish to get them pleasing gloss and make them waterproof. If you want to keep the rough effect, you can skip this step. And look how pretty they look now. Next, we need to arrange them in a leaf shape. To give to our tray a bowl form, we use cardboard folded in half and fixed with tape. We start to make our tray using hot glue. Be careful here and don't burn your fingers. At least we did this several times. This process is not fast, but it can be very meditative. Let your leaf dry a little bit. Basically, you can leave them this way, it looks cool already. And if you want, for example, to hang it on the wall, there is no need to do anything else. But we decided to make the whole construction more solid, so we fixed it with the back part. You will need a burlap and cement mixture. We are showing how to make this mixture in our previous video. See the link above. This time you should add more water to make it more liquid. Immerse the burlap leaf into this mixture and let the fabric soak well. Then remove extra cement to avoid drips. Put our back part to our wooden leaf. As soon as it got dry, we decide to decorate the back part. Use a dry brush to make a scarf effect. And after that, you can add splashes using a toothbrush. Now it looks really cool, and it seems that the rest we need to do is to cover the back part with acrylic varnish. Finally, our amazing leaf is ready. You can use it as a tray for useful little things, sweets and so on and so forth, or you can use it as just a decoration. We hope you enjoy our DIY. Don't forget to put a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. XO and bye bye!